back to our channel. So you guys know that I am always trying to find ways to help you guys save money, but I know online shopping can be a little different from extreme couponing, but there are still tons of ways that you guys can save money. For example, today we are going to be talking about Coupert. It is a web browsing extension that you can download on Google. It is completely free and easy to use within seconds. And the best part about this is when you're doing your online shopping, Coupert will help pull any of the coupons, any discounts or anything that could be applied to your cart. They will pop up and you can automatically add to your cart, so it saves you a ton of money when you're doing online shopping. You don't have to go browsing for coupon codes or looking for the best deals, because Coupert will do that for you. All you have to do is, like I said, download the browser extension, and I will have the link in my description so you guys can check that out. Now they also have the option for cashback guaranteed. All you have to do is activate the cashback button, and then they work with over 6,000 retailers from Shein, Amazon, Walmart, just so many to name. So I am going to walk you guys through the process of signing up and looking at the deals that we can find just by using the Coupert web browser extension. Alright guys, so starting off, we are going to head over to the description of this video, and I will have the link there for the Coupert. And then you're going to be here on the home page. Here you guys can see all the stores, how to earn cash back, to install the extension, and that's what we're going to be doing right now. And then it also shows you how to shop with Coupert. You select your online shop, you test coupons, complete your purchase, and receive cash back. Remember, you need to activate that cashback button. And then you guys can see here all the trending stores. They have so many other retailers that they work with. You see Kohl's. Kohl's always has great deals. Macy's also another one that has really great deals. Target, Victoria's Secret, Walgreens, Walmart, Staples. Definitely some really good retailers in here. So now going to add the browser extension to your Google Chrome was super easy. It's only going to take a few seconds, but you have to make sure that you're doing it through Google Chrome. So we are going to select add to Google Chrome, and it's going to add the web browser extension. All we have to do is select add extension, and then from there it's just super simple. It's going to automatically open a new page. We're going to sign in. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Facebook because it is super easy. It's just going to be super quick, and then from then we are going to be looking at the Coupert website. And of course I want to get started on the Shein. I have seen that they had that available, and the best part is that you can earn cash back for them. You can earn, I believe it is 6.1% to 7.5 cash back on Shein. So all we have to do is select the Shein icon, and it's going to take us over to the Shein website. From here you are just going to do your regular everyday shopping, how you would normally do your online shopping. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys. I'm just going to pick a quick option. Let's just select dresses over here, and it's going to open up the dresses tabs, and we're just going to pick something really quick and just add it to our cart. So I'm going to select a dress. Let's see, let's just select this one here. And then we are going to, of course, just how you regular online shop. We're going to select a size. We are going to add it to our cart. Just kidding, let's choose large. Who are we joking here, Carla? Add to cart. And then here we are going to go to our checkout. Now this is where all the magic is going to happen. Once we get to this part, this is where Coupert comes in. They are going to give us all the possible coupons that we can use. We are going to get the cashback offer. So you guys are going to see in a second right here. This is the most exciting part. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and check out securely, and then boom, there you guys can see the cashback offer just popped out on its own because we are using the web browser extension. So we are gonna click activate the cashback. Selected activate. I'm just gonna go ahead and close out that pop-up, and then shortly after we should be getting our coupon pop-up, and there we go. It says coupons found. All we have to click is apply coupons. Now this is the fun part, the real fun part. You guys are gonna see Coupert is going to look for all possible coupons and discounts that we can use for our orders. So I'm gonna select apply coupons now, and you guys are gonna see Coupert is automatically testing all available coupons for you. Do you guys see how easy that is? No online browsing, no having to see which coupons can apply for your account and looking for promo codes. Coupert will do all of that for you, and it will apply the best coupons for your transaction. So you guys can see it is testing out all these different promo codes. It's just applying them. You can see that my total for my cart is just changing because they're testing all possible coupons that can apply. So this part is just so exciting for me. and it just makes me want to keep online shopping for some items that I might need, which you know, just online shopping for items that I'll need. That way, you know, see what possible discounts I can get. And like I said, they have over 6,000 retailers that they work with, so I'm pretty sure they are going to work with an online shopping brand store that you want or need. Now we're almost done, and bam, there you see it says you just saved $2.30 with Coupert. Now of course that's not a high amount, but I did only get one small item in the cart, and then we got our cashback too. And lastly, I just wanted to share with you guys the cashback feature. If you go to Cashback, you guys can see all the cashback offers that they have. We have Kohl's 2.8% cashback, Macy's 7.8 cashback, so many other stores. We have JCPenney 2.5, so many other stores that are offering cashback. We have Ulta 5.48 cashback. So if you guys are ever thinking of doing some online shopping for, you know, these certain stores, I definitely recommend going with the Coupert route. That way you find the best possible coupons applied to your checkout, and then you get cashback as well. Now just to show you guys here how cashback works for Coupert, you're going to be joining. Steps are super easy. Step 1, find your favorite store on Coupert. Step 2, activate the cashback button like directed on the store's website. So if you guys like had seen, all it says just to click activate, super simple. And then step 3, you're just going to shop and pay as usual. So you're basically going to be doing your regular online shopping, but through the Coupert web browser extension. And then you can always withdraw your money when you have a cashback amount of $10, and you can cash that out to your PayPal. So super easy. Why wouldn't you guys want to save on online shopping when you're already doing online shopping? So that is going to be all for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the Coupert web browsing extension. If you guys plan on using it, I'm definitely going to be using it for my online shopping orders from here going on out. That way I can always find the best possible discounts and coupon codes and get that cash back. But alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We will see you in our next video, which should be this coming Sunday, with all of our great awesome in-store deals and couponing. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.